Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Goodbudget application. To sign up on Goodbudget, launch open the Goodbudget app on your mobile device, and once you end up in this Get Started page, tap on Create New Household. Now, go ahead and set your budget. After you are done, tap on Next at the top right. You will then end up in the first home page. Now, go ahead and sign up by entering an email address, creating a password by typing it down in the password box. If you want to receive email updates, then toggle on the button right next to Send Me Email Updates. If not, leave the box unchecked and tap on Save at the top right. Now you have successfully created your household. After the registration process is complete, you can now start exploring all the features the platform offers. So that's how you can easily sign up for Goodbudget. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.